Chef here. So working with some fresh kale today, I thought I'd share some tips with you. First one is selecting the kale. When you go in the grocery store, you want to look over the kale very closely. Get one that's very tight knitted like this, compact as well as crispy. You don't want it to be all limp and soggy. It's got to be nice and firm. All right. Also, when you look at the bottoms, make sure they were clipped off fresh and it's like local, not something from China or South America or too far away from where you are. You want fresh local kale. Kale's not expensive. This is like $1, maybe $2. Depends where you live, basically. Be back. Okay, I got a cookie sheet here. I have washed off my kale, opened it up. I'm going to just select a few pieces. I usually start with the larger pieces, and just like this, use 2-piece shears and just cut them into some manageable chunks like this. Okay, I do believe in using the stem, at least down about to there. Okay, I'm going to repeat and get this all laid out. Okay, just about like this. All right, and then the next step, I'm gonna take and sprinkle this with extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, bake in the oven at like 350 until it gets crispy and dry. It's gonna take about maybe 20 minutes or so. So this is just one recipe I'm gonna share for you. Subscribe, like, share, follow the channel, and you'll get some more recipes. Have a beautiful day.